You'll love how easy it is to make these savory grilled ribeye steaks with chimichurri sauce. Brush the steaks with 2 tablespoons of oil and moderately sprinkle with pepper and salt. Keep covered at room temperature for 15 minutes. Light the grill. Remove the stem of the pepper. Puree the pepper with the remaining olive oil. Parsley. Oregano. Garlic and vinegar. Add water at the end. Chop the onion. And finely chop the chives. Mix into the chimichurri. And season with pepper and salt to taste. Grill the steaks over medium-high heat until done. Turning halfway. About 4 minutes per side for medium rare. Let the steaks rest, covered with foil. Serve the steaks with chimichurri sauce. And that's all it takes to make savory and delicious grilled ribeye steaks with chimichurri sauce.